Good morning, everyone. So today is 25th of August. We are closing in on the end of the month and on autumn. And with that, we still see Nasdaq at all-time highs. On the weekly chart here, price has taken this 20th of July, 28th of July high, created a new all-time high, went back into this little range here. Now it's sitting around there. So if we look at this price action, there's nothing much telling us is going bearish, right? We are still here at all-time high in this pretty much this range here, from this to that. So we have this candle that has taken liquidity to the left of it, and from that the all-time high was created. So let me mark that up. Right, so let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we see that low, taken liquidity here, created a new high. Now on the 4-hour chart, we did trade this retracement, right? So price has taken the previous all-time high from the 28th of July, 31 July, not 28. Taken this all-time high, created a new all-time high, right? So back into the range here. Now, where are we in terms of immediate price action? So in terms of immediate price action, we do have what is certain. Certain is the all-time high here. That's a swing high that has been created. And another certainty is the swing low here. This swing low, previous week low, that has taken liquidity to the left of it. So it has taken shaved, very shaved liquidity below this, and it traced into the range. So from external to internal range liquidity, and now internal range liquidity being this, there it is, 4-hour imbalance, right smack into the middle of the range, the equilibrium. Now it's from internal range liquidity, in theory is going back to external range liquidity. That being either this one, sorry, either this one or either this one. But price is still at equilibrium. So let's see. On the 15, or rather on the 30, let's move to the 30-minute chart, because it glues better with the 3-minute chart. So on the 30-minute chart, we see price trading from this market structure shift back into this 4-hour fair value gap, displaced, created a new fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap here. Now it's caught in between this and this. But in my opinion, it's still going higher, because we have had this displacement here. Now I'm looking at price to do something like this. to come back into the highs here above Asia high and possibly continue to previous day high, and then we will need to reassess. It could go, in my opinion, could go close this gap, this 4-hour gap, right? So that's one target. After that we will need to see what the price is doing, but I do believe it will come back down into the equilibrium of the range. So that's one scenario. Alternately, I do see price inching lower into this 4-hour imbalance below Asia low. And that's, you know what that is, that's the equilibrium of that weekly range. So this is our weekly range. This is the equilibrium of the weekly range here. And for price to bounce around, so that's what I see here on the chart today. I'm not convinced. I'm not that clear on the price action. That's the reality. But I do believe the more likely scenario is that price will come into the highs here and then come back down. So it is a Monday. It is a Monday. So be careful in the market if you're trading. With that, I wish you the best. Trade safe and take care.